Oh, I love hiking. Huh? What is that? A bear or a lion or something?
Max! Max! Hello, Max!
What?
Our midterm project is due tomorrow and you keep daydreaming?
Oh, I'm sorry, Lily. I just can't focus.
Oh, I know what you need. To focus better, all you need is chewing gum.
Chewing gum? Are you joking?
It'll work, trust me.
Alright.
Chewing helps to stimulate the blood flow to the brain, which helps you stay focused.
Oh, thanks, Lily. I feel refreshed and ready to work now.
No problem. Now let's finish the project.
Okay, yeah.
Professor, can you go over the problem again?
Oh, okay, Lily. So for
Wait,
this
Professor, I didn't understand chapter 3.
But I asked first.
But I only have one problem. Professor, choose me.
No, me.
Me.
Stop arguing, both of you. You're giving me a headache.
Oh, sorry, Professor.
We didn't mean to.
Oh, Professor Stacy, I know how to help. All we need is ginger. First, cut some slices of ginger. Just put the ginger into a cup and add some water. Here, Professor Stacy, drink this.
Okay, I'll try it.
Ginger is an anti-inflammatory that helps with migraines.
Wow, thank you, Max. My head doesn't hurt anymore.
Oh, you're welcome, Professor.
Now I can answer all of your questions.
Okay. Slow down, Professor. I can't write that fast. Ow, my wrist.
The inflation. Huh? Lily, what's wrong?
My wrist hurts from all the writing.
Don't worry, Lily. You just need to stretch. Extend your hands with your palm forward and pull your fingers back.
Okay, like this, Professor?
Yes, make sure to hold that stretch for 10 seconds. Next, do this stretch for another 10 seconds. Repeat these stretches every 15 minutes and your wrist won't hurt anymore.
Thank you, Professor. My wrist feels so much better.
Now that your wrist is all better, we can go faster.
I can't remember anything for the exam. What am I gonna do?
Are you serious? We studied all month together. You're just stressing out.
I'm so worried I'm gonna fail the exam.
Lily, stop! You won't be able to remember anything if you're too stressed. Let me help you. To help relieve stress, all we need is some green tea. Here, Lily, drink this tea.
Okay, thanks.
Green tea lowers stress by increasing serotonin levels.
Whoa, I feel so much calmer. Thank you, Max.
Oh, no problem, Lily.
All right, guys, clear this for the midterm. Everyone, you have 5 more minutes to finish your exams.
I'll have to stay awake. Okay. Maybe if I hold my eyes open.
Max, your time is up.
No, I'm not done. Please, just give me 5 more minutes to finish the test.
No, you shouldn't have fallen asleep. You get a 0.
No! To stay awake, all I need is a spray bottle and some ice water. First, add some ice cubes. Now we just have to add the water. Now that it's filled up, I just need to spray my face. The shock of cold water will release adrenaline and increase the blood flow to your brain. Now I won't fall asleep during the exam.
Hey, Max. Whoa, are your eyes okay?
No, they hurt so much, but I gotta finish my essay. It's due in like 10 minutes.
Oh, it looks like you strained your eyes. But don't worry, I know what to do.
You do?
To fix strained eyes, you just have to look at something far away. So look at Professor's desk and count to 20.
Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3.
Make sure to do this every 20 minutes when you're working on screens.
Oh, thanks so much, Lily. My eyes don't hurt anymore. You saved me.
But you still need to finish your essay.
Oh, yeah. My project is on, hold on.
Max, I can't believe you didn't practice your speech. Minus 10 points.
Can I go look at my textbook really fast?
No! You fail your speech, Max.
To help with memorization, all we need are flashcards. Just write down important topics and information on the flashcards. Now when I present, I'll be able to find my information quickly. So my project is on innovations in transport. Overland transfer.
I have the chapter 7 notes. Do you have 8?
Yeah, they're right here.
Max, this is for another class. You're in charge of chapter 8.
Oh, I did it. It's like in here somewhere.
Hurry up, we need to study for the midterm.
Okay, I'm trying. To keep things organized, I just need sticky notes in a folder. First, label each folder for the chapters. Now I just use the Post-its to label the papers. Here, Lily, I cut the notes for chapter 8 right here.
Wow, Max, you're so organized.
Thanks. Now let's study for the midterm.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our hacks video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.